Should you post daily to your Google business profile in order to generate more leads and phone calls for your business? We did it for over a month and saw some massive results. As our auto glass company continues to grow, we've made other previous videos about how we started that company from a simple website that we made back in 2019 and eventually launched the company back in 2021. We've heavily invested and doubled down into everything that we're doing from a search engine optimization standpoint. And after implementing some new strategies, we saw these amazing results year over year and month over month. In April of 2023, we had 608 phone calls. In April of 2024, we had 975 phone calls, in addition to over 100 contact forms that came in through the website and or quote requests. That's a 38% increase year over year for what was already a substantial amount of phone calls and leads in the multiple hundreds. And even month over month, we saw a 12% increase from March to April. And the only thing we changed was posting daily to the Google business profile. If you're looking for free, simple, and easy ways to get more phone calls and leads for your business, I'm going to show you and discuss specifically how we were able to drive these results by posting daily from the Google business profile. Previously, we were posting every week, once a week, and sometimes sporadically. And even when we were in the agency for our clients, we would typically do once a week. So I wanted to see what the results would be like posting every single day and to see how we could stretch the boundaries of what was possible from a search engine optimization and Google Maps, Google Business Profile result standpoint. A lot of people forget that the Google Business Profile has this posting / update feature. You can make a basic post and or promote an offer or an event. Think of this like another social media platform that's out there in order to help grow your business that most of your competition is not currently doing. So when we go and take a look at the other auto glass companies here in St. Louis, most of them haven't posted in over a year. If they have, they maybe made one post and then took months off, but most of them haven't posted since 2022. So not only are we posting and showing up and doing this daily, we're doing it at a degree where most other people just currently aren't even close. Most people don't use it, yet most people buy from Google. So it's a way for you to stick out from the crowd. 3 things, right, that a great post, a great Google business profile update will have. First, a picture. So pictures from current jobs, past jobs, pictures of your team members, whatever that might be, we recommend obviously having a picture. The second is an SEO optimized description of said picture or of what you're trying to get across that has baked in keywords plus locations of what you're trying to get more phone calls for, up to 1,500 characters. And we literally use ChatGPT in order to help us guide that post. So we'll say, please write an SEO optimized Google business profile, update post description up to 1,500 characters for an auto glass company in St. Louis called Auto Glass Repair of STL for the specific keywords of auto glass repair and replacement in St. Louis. Keep it under 1,500 characters. That will spit out exactly what we're looking for, but we'll go in and obviously clean it up, make it sound a little bit more like us, fix and tweak anything that we have to do. And then lastly, we add a call to action button. So most of the time we're just doing click to call. You can also send traffic to our website. If we are talking about a specific service page or a location page on our website, it is beneficial to driving traffic to that specific page on your website instead of just the home page or contact us page. So as we're going through this video, as you're listening to some of the things that we're talking about, how often are you currently posting on your Google business profile? Is it weekly? Is it sporadically? Is it once a month? Do you have any idea that you can even post from your Google business profile? I want you to start thinking about those questions and then figure out how often you can implement something like this into your content strategy. Posting daily can be difficult if you aren't organized or you try to reinvent the wheel. That's why that we have found creating a content calendar has been instrumental with specific themes to the day of the week to help us drive not only adoption of posting daily, but also the results behind it. So when we're talking about daily, we're talking about Monday through Friday. So every single Monday, our Google business profile is directly related to Maintenance Monday. So we are talking about a preventative maintenance tip that you can do for your auto glass to make sure that you're not obviously having to repair or replace it unless something crazy happens to your vehicle. Tuesday is Testimonial Tuesday. So we will literally share a recent 5-star Google review and share it to the Google Business Profile post and then explain a little bit more about what that review actually was. We have Why Us Wednesday. So why would you go with auto glass repair of STL above and beyond Safelite or any of the other local competitors? That's what we're talking about there. Transformation Thursday. So this is before and after we either repaired or replaced a piece of auto glass. So you can see before, you can see after. And then we wrap up the week with FAQ Friday. So when people are calling in and asking for a quote or asking about our business, and this is with any business, right? There's a list of frequently asked questions that are typically getting asked. We see that same thing with auto glass. And so on Fridays, we will highlight a specific question that people typically ask us. Now, if you're getting value from this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. That way you get notified each and every single time we launch a new video. Make sure you hit the like button on this video and leave a comment if you have any feedback, both good, bad, and indifferent. So 40% of businesses have never actually posted on their Google Business Profile. So we literally were talking earlier about the fact that in St. Louis, with our auto glass repair company right now, most of our competitors haven't posted since 2022. This statistic right there is literally saying that 40% of businesses have never actually posted ever, not once. So that's a substantial amount of opportunity and low-hanging fruit for you as a business owner to be able to go tackle this specific aspect and to grow your business. When it comes to all of these things, if your competition isn't doing it, it's a leg up for you to be able to go and stick out from the crowd. It's very, very crucial and helps you do so. So if you want to scale your business, right, and you're looking for free and easy ways to do it, but you might need some help along in the process, we have a perfect opportunity for you. So you can go join our free Facebook group, which is Builders of Authority. You'll see the link in the comments. But you can also go type in Builders of Authority in the search bar on Facebook. We have daily content, live weekly trainings every Tuesday at 3 p.m. Central, where we're just going over the latest and greatest stuff when it comes to not only growing your business with personal branding, but also digital marketing, things that you can implement in your company right now. Thank you so much for watching that video. Again, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already so you can get notified each and every single time we launch a new video. And remember, authority isn't built overnight, it's built over time.